the moon is dancing, the stars are smiling, the city never sleeps. Love has found its home. From the banks of the Congo River to the beaches of the Indian Ocean, from every village to every city, one heartbeat, one rhythm, one love. Africa, let's dance. MBOTE mon amour, hey. MBOTE mon amour. The first time I saw your smile, the whole world became brighter. The wind carried your perfume, the flowers opened their petals, even the birds changed their melody. You walk with confidence, like a queen who belongs to no kingdom, yet every heart wanted to follow. Your eyes shine brighter than sunrise, your laughter sounds sweeter than guitars, your voice calms every storm inside me. I searched for happiness across many roads, through many seasons, but destiny was quietly waiting inside your heart. Come closer. Don't be afraid. Take my hand. Feel this rhythm. No more loneliness. Only music. Only dancing. Only love. Tonight belongs to us. Hey! MBOTE mon amour. Dance beside me tonight. MBOTE mon amour. Never let this feeling disappear. MBOTE mon amour. The drums are calling, the guitars are singing, everybody moving, everybody smiling. Raise your hands, feel the rhythm, celebrate love. MBOTE mon amour. Celebrate Africa. MBOTE mon amour. Forever. Hey. Hey. Morning may come, but tonight is endless. The city lights cannot compete with the light inside your eyes. When you laugh, children smile. When you dance, the streets become alive. Every heartbeat moves with the drums. Every step creates another memory. I don't need diamonds, I don't need gold. Your love is richer than both. Nobody sits down tonight. This celebration belongs to everyone. Young, old, families, friends, every nation, every language, one heartbeat, one dance floor. One dance floor. Look at the sky.